kids, welcome to the party. We have a Jurassic World Play-Doh party box for you today, bursting at the seams with all of our favorite dinosaur friends. Look at that. There we go. So let's see what's inside, why don't we? We have a biting T-Rex. Scary guy. Look at that guy, he's a little bony. Put that guy on the side. What else? We have a dinosaur fossil egg. Let's find some fossils, why don't we? Can you see him coming out? Ooh. Look at it emerging. Wow. I'm ready to be an archaeologist, I think. There it is, released from the egg. Look at that. We can send it to the museum now. It's ready. Okay, let's put this guy over there with his bony friend. Now comes the Play-Doh. Blue. White. And green Play-Doh. Put that aside. What else? Of course we need dinosaur-shaped cutters for our Play-Doh. Another dinosaur egg. This time it has putty. Take the putty out. There we go. See the putty. Maybe he'll want to eat it. Okay, leave that guy there. Look at that. Jurassic World ball. Is that a T-Rex in there? Such fun. I'll put that in the fossil dirt. Another putty egg. Okay, there's the putty. Put that one aside. He's not finished eating that one, so we won't overstuff him. Jurassic World bracelet. Dinosaur blowout. Let's give it a try. No sound though. I think that's the best part. I think dinosaurs already make enough noise, so we'll just put that there. What else do we have in our party box? Oh, another dinosaur friend. Look at him. He can hang out with those guys. How's everybody doing? And this is a Jurassic World plane that we have to assemble. So let's put it together. And here's our plane. Pretty cool. We'll just put him over here to hang out. Okay, so now let's make some Play-Doh dinosaurs. Get that guy. Okay, let's see if he'll hang out here. The rest of the gang. Let's make another. Very cool. Okay, he'll hang out with these guys. Right there. Now let's make a white dinosaur. With his friends. It's getting a little crowded. And let's make a blue dinosaur. There it is. Looks good. We'll put him over here to hang out. And so there we have it, kids, our Jurassic World Play-Doh party box. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I especially like the excavation. So if you did like it, don't forget to like it. And don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you again. Have a blessed day. Bye.